We are now finished with the SIIPA wizard and we can view the results. Close the layer list window and we can move the SIIPA window so that we can go ahead and zoom in on our grid area. And as you can see, there's a grid overlay on top of our weed points, and it's divided. It has a number on each grid that tells you the priority or the ranking for each quadrant. So the higher the number, the higher priority it is, and the lower the number, the lower the priority. So if I were to use this map to begin treatments, I would start with those that are ranked a 4, the weed points that are inside that quadrant and that are ranked a 4, and then move on to the 5, 47, and 50, for example. And this is a very small data set, so it's a little bit more difficult to see a large area, but you can get a general sense of the higher the priority or the higher the ranking, then that's the area where you should start first. So now back in the SIIPA window, you have 4 options of how you want to use these results. So if you scroll down, you can see print map, run report, send to mobile, or download the file. Print the map. If you click on this, it opens up a map that can be sent directly to your printer, and you can print it out and take it out to the field with you. If you click run report, then it also brings up the map in a print form, but it pulls up the table with it, the table of attributes of data that goes with the points that you have in your data set. Send to mobile, this is still being tested, but eventually it will be able to be sent to a cell phone so that when you're out in the field, you can use that directly on your phone to help you know which ones to start treating. And the last option is to download the file. If you're using a GIS system in your area, then you can download this file as a geodatabase file and import it directly into your software. So today I'll show you if you click print map. Let's move this window open. You would go ahead and set the landscape if you want it as a PDF, for so forth and so on, and then you hit print. And it's going to create that as a PDF that we can send right to our printer. Okay, so that's what that would look like. We'll go ahead and close that one out. To run the report, click generate report. Here is the table that we pulled up with, or that's the map. And then we have the points, and then our attribute table with the weights and the classes and the such that we've assigned to each one of our data points. So this kind of is the results of the whole SIIPA wizard. It pulls it up along with a map of our points with a grid overlay. So the whole information, you can print that all together as a report. I'll go ahead and close it. And then the last is to download the file. If you click on that, once you hit download file, in the bottom of your screen, once it's finished creating the file, you'll see a zip file down there, and so you can open it, move it around, save it where you need to, and you can import it into your software. So those are the options that you have for the SIIPA tool. You can also add additional layers to your map if you wanted to. If you are logged in and have access to additional layers, you can add more layers to the map, such as maybe satellite view or other different options that will help you in the field or help you to make treatment decisions. I hope you enjoyed using the SIIPA tool and that it will help you as you prioritize the weed and maximize your resources.